Happy Sunday from Skrubbabadet, located in the Skrubba neighborhood, obviously, on the outskirts of Stockholm municipality, very close to the border with Tyresö. Here we have a sign that says diving is on own risk. Dykning sker på egen risk på svenska. And I always have hard times finding this beach because the roads are all the same and it's not like a clear road to get here. But I've managed to come here after 14 kilometers bicycle ride from my home. You can see the sandy part of the beach, and you can see also my bicycle here, my Scott. That took me all the way here, and we can see also the diving platform here that I have already used. So I already filmed one short for Europapa dance and I jumped actually from the diving platform, but for this video I'm gonna jump once again. As you can see, my hair is so wet, so I already went in for a swim. And I wasn't sure if it is safe enough to jump, but I did it anyway because it looked like it's very deep. So it was amazing. So yes, it is quite cold actually for a Sunday in June. And 9th of June, the day is today, is the EU elections day. I already voted yesterday, as you can vote in Sweden 2.5 weeks before the actual day. It's very common, also for the parliament elections, also in Sweden. And yes, let's see who is going to win and represent Sweden in the European Parliament. But yes, it is 14 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite chilly, and the wind makes it even colder. And it is 20 degrees Celsius in Lake Drevviken that you can see. And I am all alone at this part of the beach. At the center part I see a family with a dog that just took a swim. So quite warm in the water, I cannot lie. And yeah, it's time then for another swim here at Skrubbabadet. I just find the name Skrubba very funny because it means, I mean, if you translate it, if you just literally put English, it's Skrubba. But and it reminds me of the song from TLC, No Scrubs. Yeah, that's how old I am. If I know that song. So, okay, I'm starting to shivering because I already went in for a swim. So I will need to speed up the process now and dive in while I show you this beautiful nature here in Skrubba area. Alright, then it's time for dive number 2 for today in this Lake Drevviken that you can see. It's really amazing. I can see all the way to Kokerengen over there at Farsta. Alright, then jump number 2. Let's go! Ah! Oh, I just love jumping in the water when it's 20 degrees Celsius in the lake. So actually I had a mission to go to the sea today, as I always do on the weekends, but it was too windy, and I think it's even windier on the Baltic Sea. So I think I made the right choice down here and enjoy in this beautiful beach, in the beautiful nature. Look at all those trees around the lake. It's amazing. Cool, then that's a wrap from Skrubbabadet in Stockholm on this 9th of June. Beach day number 58 on my Swiss Beach Adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.